Ever felt like no matter how much you rest, you're still exhausted? Or maybe the thought of another workday makes you feel like you're carrying a mountain on your back? If you can relate, you might be dealing with burnout. Today, we're diving into something many of us experience but rarely address: burnout. This video will help you understand what burnout really is, recognize the signs, and most importantly, discover practical solutions to recover and prevent it. So, if you're feeling drained, disinterested, or simply on the edge, stick around. Let's take control and bring back that spark in your life. Burnout isn't just stress. It's a state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged and excessive stress. It often creeps up on us slowly, making it hard to notice until it's overwhelming. To better understand burnout, let's identify the top 5 signs of burnout. And to keep things interesting, let's count down from 5 to 1. Number 5, loss of motivation and passion. Ever wonder why things that used to excite you feel like chores? One of the first signs of burnout is the loss of enthusiasm for activities or goals that once fueled you. Number 4, physical and emotional exhaustion. Feeling exhausted isn't just about lack of sleep. Burnout causes a fatigue so deep that it impacts both your body and emotions. No amount of rest feels like it's enough. Number 3, decline in performance and productivity. Do you feel like your productivity is slipping? Burnout often makes it harder to focus, complete tasks, or perform as well as you used to. It's not about laziness, it's your mind begging for a break. Number 2, increased cynicism or negativity. If you're feeling unusually negative or critical toward others or yourself, it might be burnout talking. This cynicism can be subtle at first, but quickly becomes a draining mental habit. Number 1, detachment and isolation. And finally, at the peak of burnout, there's detachment. When burnout is severe, people often start withdrawing from friends, family, and colleagues, feeling a sense of isolation that worsens the cycle. Now that we've uncovered the signs, it's time for solutions. Here's how you can begin recovering and preventing burnout. Number 1, set boundaries. It's essential to protect your time. Start by setting clear boundaries between work and personal life. Give yourself permission to say no when needed. Number 2, practice self-care. Find moments in each day to take care of yourself. Whether it's exercise, meditation, or even a few minutes of deep breathing, self-care recharges your body and mind. Number 3, seek support. Burnout often makes us feel alone, but remember, support is out there. Talk to friends, family, or even a therapist who can help you gain perspective and find solutions. Number 4, break tasks into small steps. When you're overwhelmed, every task feels impossible. Break them down into tiny, manageable actions to regain a sense of progress without draining your energy. Number 5, reevaluate your goals. Sometimes burnout is a sign that our goals don't align with our true values or interests. Take a moment to reflect. Are you doing what you love? Reconnecting with your purpose can fuel your motivation. Burnout can feel like a never-ending cycle, but remember, recovery is possible. By recognizing the signs and taking practical steps to prevent it, you're already on the right path to reclaiming your energy and passion. So, if this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on leading a balanced, fulfilled life. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself. You deserve it.